Hello guys, my name is Erika Gomez. In this day I'm talking about the Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. I would like to go to the Pyramid of Giza with my mother and my daughter. I think it's a unique and profitable experience to know the culture and history of it. I will be an excellent plan. If we go, I will hear a local guide to tell you about the history, architecture, and culture. We go to visit the Pyramid of Giza and the Sphinx. I go to the pyramid with point of the pyramids. I would like to know the Solar Quartz Museum and its structure is all the cedar, more than 4,500 years old. I will stay at the Hotel Pyramid with Inn, with views of the pyramid from some rooms. Today is around $25.87 a day. The round trip please leave for $7,923.13. To go to visit the different attractions, I will wear comfortable and fresh clothes. In addition, a lot of water. I worry about getting on the camel or horse because of the torture surgery that is must be. The best option is to go by taxi, while free to look at which restaurant for in and eat. If I am studying, they give a special price to enter some attractions, and there are others that are completely free. This is the picture the Pyramid of Giza. Is good, is nice, it's very different. Tell me chicos, can hear please. Thank you very much.